Hello students, I'm Mrs. Gracie Mendes and I'm back again with a new math lesson. Before I start with the lesson, I hope you all are doing your activities given by me and Philomena Miss very neatly in your book. So let's start with the new topic, comparing numbers. Now before we start the topic, I want you to first understand the biggest number and the smallest number. I know it's a revision of all what you have done in standard 3, but now the question as it says, identify the biggest number. So I've given you some 5 sets of numbers and in each set we've got around 4 numbers. So let's read the numbers first. The first number is 321. I want everybody to read it along with me. 123, 431 and 654. Now as you see the hundreds place here is 3, 1, 4 and 6. So the biggest number in the hundreds place is 6. So definitely 654 becomes the biggest number in this set. Let's move to the next one. We've got 900, 700, 600 and 100. So again, the hundreds place is changed. We've got 1, 6, 7 and 9. So definitely 9 becomes the biggest number. So 900 is the biggest 3-digit number here. Let's go to the third set of numbers. 765, 763, 769, 761. So now here we've got 5, 7, 6, 7, 6 is common in all the 4 numbers. So let's take the units place. We've got 5 in the units place here in the first set. Then we've got 3. And then we've got 9. And we've got 1. So we know that the single digit 9 is the biggest number. So 769 becomes the biggest number in this set. Let's go to the next set of numbers. 101, 111, 110 and 121. Now since we've got 1 in the hundreds place, we go to the next value. The next place, that is 0 in the tens place, 1 in the tens place, 1 again in the tens place and 2 in the tens place. So we don't need to think much. 121 becomes the biggest number. Let's go to the last set of this exercise. 234, 675, 789, 987. So we've got 9 in the hundreds place and definitely that becomes the biggest number, 987. Now as for the next question, we have to identify the smallest number. Now we've done the biggest number in the previous exercise. Now let's do the smallest number. So we've got 100, 900, 800 and 700. So let's see the hundreds place. We've got 7 here, we've got 8 here, 9 here and 1 here. And yes, 1 becomes the smallest number. So 100 becomes the smallest 3-digit number here. Let's go to the next set. 678, 876, 543, 654. So we've got 2 numbers with 6 and 1 number with 8 and the other number with 5. So we know that 5 becomes the smallest number. So 543 becomes the smallest 3-digit number here. The third set, 879, 819, 809, 890. So the units place, hundreds place is same. So we go to the tens place. 9, then we've got 0, then we've got 1, and we've got 7. So we know that 0 has got no value and it becomes the smallest number. So 809 becomes the 3-digit smallest number here. Let's go to the next set of numbers. 333, 433, 633, 233. So here the hundred place only changes. So 233 becomes our smallest number. The last set of this exercise, 789, 876, 867, and 798. So we've got two numbers with 7 in the hundredth place and two numbers with 8 in the hundredth place. So definitely 7 is smaller than 8. So we take the two numbers, that is 789 and 798. Then we go to the next place, that is the 10th place. Here we've got 8 in the 10th place, and here we've got 9 in the 10th place. So 8 is smaller. So 789 becomes the smallest number in this section. Now we come to the next question, that is put the correct sign. We've got greater than, less than, and equal to. So let's take the first number here, 450 and 350. So we know in the hundredth place 4 is greater. So we put the greater than sign. So as we have learned it, we open the fish's mouth to the biggest number, and let's go to the next number now, 212 and 292. Here the 10th place is 9 and here it is 1. So the answer is 292, which is the biggest number. So we put the greater sign there. Now 898 on my left hand side and 898 on my right hand side. So these two numbers are equal. So I put an equal to sign. The fourth number, 990, and the next number next to it on the right hand side is 909. So since the hundredth place is same, we see the 10th place. Here it is 0 and here it is 9. So 9 is bigger, so we put the greater sign near 990. The next number, 610 and 610. So easy to understand, it is an equal number. The next set, 232 and 686. So just the hundredth place, which is bigger. So we open the fish's mouth near 686. Next number, 567 and 566. Now here 5 is in the hundredth place here, 5 is in the hundredth place here, 6 in the 10th place here, 6 in the 10th place here. So let's see the unit place. We've got 7 here and we've got 6 here. So 7 is bigger. So we open the fish's mouth near 567 and 567 is greater than 566. Now the last sum for this exercise is 404 and 444. So the 10th place is 4 here and here it is 0. So 444 becomes the biggest number. So we put the greater sign there. So let's move to the activity 5, that is put the correct sign. And I've given you only 5 numbers here. You're going to do all this at home, but as we read the sums, we read the sums together. I from my home and you from your home. The first number, 321 and 231. I hope as you're reading the numbers, you already know what the answers are. The second number, 600, and on the right hand side, it is 900. The third one, 356 on my left hand side and 356 on my right hand side. The fourth number, 112 and 116. And the last number, 876. And on the right hand side, 768. So I hope no, but I know that you will do your activity neatly and complete it using, maybe you could put a line here, draw a line here, or make a box here. When you write these three numbers, you need to leave a box here, then put a dash or make a box here, and then again leave a box and then write the three-digit number. Leave a box again and then write the second number. Leave a box, the third number, leave a box, write the fourth number, and only one number in one box. So do your homework neatly and see you with your work completed. So bye bye, children.